Hello and welcome to this full day of Kiwi. Kiwi, there she is. So, moet je maar zitten. Blij. So today is a full day of Kiwi. Not only what she eats as a blend-based dog, but also what, vegan savage dogs do on a typical day like today. Kiwi, are you ready? That's what vegan savage do. Always want to explore. Stay curious. While she's exploring the neighborhood, Scorpion Mind is preparing her breakfast. And Kiwi smells that, so she runs inside and is like, oh, you make breakfast for me? Thank you so much. And what do we have here? We have some...
The carrot and then her kibble.
And
It's gonna be soaked in water.
in water, so if you don't know her kibbles, it's like these, there's so many vegan dog food brands. And it's like with potatoes and peas and all that good stuff. Dogs need like many legumes and vegetables. And now warm water is added. Then we have here oats and her canned dog food that is also a mix of lentils, carrots, lupine, amaranth, chia seeds. Oh wow, fancy stuff.
It's a really good brand. And they do have food for sensitive dogs, for sensitive stomachs, for just adults and for seniors, which is nice.
And why does she get the sensitive collection?
Well, because we got like the adult food and a sensitive one, and this is just good. It's just easy to digest. So.
Are you a sensitive dog?
Yes.
No, she's a vegan savage. And she's like licking her mouth because she loves vegan food. And I admit, this smells delicious. So if you feed your dog a blend-based diet, it's not like, oh, dog food smells and your dog smells out of the mouth. No, this smells neutral or even great. And now after breakfast we usually work on our projects and Kiwi makes herself comfortable for a nice little after breakfast nap. But because the door is open, she probably runs outside and plays and explores because she's so curious and wants to explore all day. You sit a bit awkward, Kiwi. Oh, Platz. Fine. And what is Scorpion Mind doing?
Painting Kiwi.
Painting Kiwi. So Kiwi, you are sitting on your iron throne and you have your personal painter, is it correct? Kiwi, what a life. What a wonderful life. And Kiwi, she smells it. Yesterday I baked banana bread and these are the leftovers, and because this cake is dog friendly, Kiwi gets another small piece. Kiwi, but not all of it. Down dog, that's my yoga dog. And if you want to see the recipe, on frei, check it out at Vegan's Food. Super yummy dog snack. But not only for your dog, also for you. And your girlfriend, and your family, and cheeses. Why is there cheeses, Scorpion Mind?
I don't know.
I don't know neither. Was it good? Can I take your plate, little queen? Thank you. And now Scorpion Mind and I, we enjoy the rest of the cake. I mean of the bread. Kiwi, are you a little sun warrior?
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine. Feels like I can't do anything, just give me a mountain to climb. You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
Kiwi. You want a nice vegan sausage? Oh, sit. Enjoy. Quick update on Kiwi's side. She just went outside again because the door is usually open and just explored the neighborhood. But now she feels kind of tired and I put this baby blanket over her, which she loved. So make some space here and show you a little afternoon nap. While we continuously to work, sip on our tea and snack on some AirPods.
Yeah.
Now what is that?
It's like giant corn.
Giant corn flavored. Yum. But watch out, there's a cow behind you. And I just turned around and thought Scorpion Mind is working, but she does her favorite hobby, which is cuddling with Kiwi. And I think her YouTube video is rendering. Scorpion Mind, what is your favorite hobby?
Cuddling with Kiwi.
And now we will go out for a little walk because we go for a walk every afternoon because it's just so nice. The village is so empty and so pretty and so much nature and it just feels so good, this walk. I enjoy it so much. We do it every afternoon, evening, and we take the ball and I show you because Kiwi, she's obsessed with her ball and she's so athletic how she catches the ball and jumping in the air and catching it, and I want to capture it in slow-mo for you, so I will try and enjoy this footage. And what is also funny, that dogs, or at least Kiwi, are from 0 to 100. You see now, she's sleepy, but in 2 minutes, we're outside and she's chasing the ball. And now we are back and Kiwi's exhausted but happy. Cooking my dinner and Kiwi, she gets some of my veggies and some of my bean pasta. Today was perfect timing with the weather. When we went to the lake it was perfect. When we went for the walk and played ball it was perfect. And now it rains so heavily, but we make it so cozy in here. And I'm cooking dinner and soon we will watch our Marvel movie, and there was just a lightning. And now there's the thunder. The thunder, thunder, thunder. I'm fine. And now Scorpion Mind is doing the outro.
That was Kiwi's day. I hope you enjoyed it and you got a little insight in what Kiwi does all the day. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and stay tuned for more Kiwi videos.
Kiwi, last words of wisdom? Nothing? Did you even know that I record your day? What's going on in here? What's going on in here? Just cuteness and playing ball like a vegan savage?
Oh, she's so tired now.
But this brain is super smart. She understands when we talk in a nice language or a not so nice language. And when we say, where's your toy? She brings the toy. And she can smell so well and her senses are much better than ours. So she's a smart, cute, plant-based puppy. Well, not a puppy anymore, but she looks like a puppy. Alright, thanks for watching. Kiwi. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
Peace out. Peace out.
Peace out.